Well, this is the first time that the little ones have adventured out of the coop. So they're hanging with mom right now, eating clover. I've trained them to eat clover, so they're doing pretty good. They're loving that. Look at them. They're just tearing up that clover. Pretty good stuff. Nobody's messing with them but me, so hopefully we can. She's a little nervous with me right here, but look at them. They're all sticking together with the chicken. Isn't that great? That's great. Just enjoy. Watch out for these big chickens. They want a piece of you guys. Uh-oh, here comes Big Mama over here to check out what's going on. Okay, you stay away. You leave them alone, okay? That's it. Just leave them alone. Protect them, Mom. Protect them. Please don't go over to Jerry's yard. That won't be good. I won't be able to get you back. Pretty good stuff. Let's see if we can get them to move around and not go through the fence. Come on, follow Mama. Follow Mama. Let's go. That's it. That's it. You're doing good. Okay, what do you say we go back? Let's go back. Come on, let's go back in. That's it for the day. Recess is over. Go back in. Go back in. Come on. Ah. Good one, good one. There's always one. There's always one.